Hello, my friend. Before we begin today's lesson, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever known exactly what you wanted to say in English, but the words just didn't come out? Maybe someone smiled at you. Maybe they asked you a simple question, and suddenly your mind went completely blank. If that has ever happened to you, don't worry. It happens to almost every English learner. The good news is this. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need thousands of vocabulary words. You only need the right everyday sentences. And that's exactly what we're going to practice today. So relax, speak with me, and imagine we're having a friendly conversation together. Let's get started. Situation one, meeting someone. Imagine you're walking into your English class. You see someone standing near the door. What can you say? It's easy. Hi, how are you today? This is one of the most common greetings in English. If someone asks you the same question, you can answer, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Or if you're feeling tired, simply say, I'm a little tired today, but I'm doing okay. Remember, conversations don't have to be perfect, they only have to be friendly. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you today? Excellent. Situation two, asking for help. Now, imagine you're in a supermarket. You can't find the milk. Instead of feeling nervous, ask it politely. Excuse me, could you help me? Most people will happily help you. Then you can ask, where can I find the milk? Notice that we start with, excuse me. It sounds polite and respectful. That's a great habit in English. Situation three, talking about your day. People often ask, how's your day going? You don't need a long answer. You can simply say, it's going well, or it's been busy, or even, it's been a great day so far. These short answers sound natural. Now let's make it personal. How is your day going? Pause the video if you want and answer in English. Even one sentence is enough. Situation four, at a cafe. Imagine you're ordering your favorite drink. Walk to the counter with confidence. Smile and say, hi, could I have a cappuccino, please? The worker may ask, would you like anything else? You can answer, no, thank you. Or, yes, I'd also like a sandwich. Simple, natural, useful. Situation five, making small talk. Sometimes you're waiting for a bus or standing in a line. Someone smiles at you. You can start a small conversation. The weather is beautiful today, or it's really hot today. Small talk helps you become more confident. Remember, not every conversation has to be long. Even two or three sentences are enough. Situation six, asking someone about their plans. Here's another useful question. What are you doing this weekend? People ask this all the time. Possible answers are, I'm staying home. I'm visiting my family. I'm going shopping. I'm going to relax. Try answering this question yourself. What are you doing this weekend? Speak out loud. Don't just think, actually say the words. A simple speaking tip. Here's something that helped thousands of English learners. Every time you learn a new sentence, don't stop after reading it once. Say it again and again. Then change one word. For example, I'm drinking coffee. Change it to, I'm drinking tea. Then, I'm drinking water. One sentence becomes three. That's how your speaking grows naturally. Speaking practice. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, then you repeat it. Ready? Good morning. How are you? Excellent. Could you help me, please? Very good. What are you doing today? Great job. I'm learning English every day. Fantastic. I'm becoming more confident. Wonderful. Can you feel the difference? Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger. Today's challenge. Before you finish this episode, I want you to do one small challenge. Choose 3 sentences from today's lesson. Say each sentence 5 times. Then use each one in a new sentence about your own life. This simple habit will help you remember English much faster. My friend, remember this. Fluent English isn't built in one day. It's built one conversation at a time, one sentence at a time, one practice session at a time. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake means you're trying, and every time you open your mouth to speak English, you're becoming a better English speaker. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next episode of Twin Talk English. Until next time. Take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye.